This is Stryker.
And we're making healthcare better.
The technology we're working on is groundbreaking.
We get to place products in the hands of healthcare providers who will use them to improve and even save lives.
There are a lot of reasons people choose to work for Stryker.
But we're all here because we want to make a difference.
At Stryker, I can grow my career in many areas. There isn't just one path to success.
I am in control of my growth, in control of my career, and in control of my future.
Because I own my career, I have the opportunity to learn new things,
discover new strengths and passions, and grow into new roles.
Working for a growing company means that I get to grow with it.
I used to describe my dream job as the perfect combination of creativity, technology, and purpose. Now that's how I describe working for Stryker.
We have access to world-leading physicians through the Stryker Learning Center. In an age where medicine and technology are constantly changing, this lets us stay connected to our customers and continue to grow ourselves.
We have a culture of inclusiveness and diversity.
We want the most talented, dedicated, and hardworking people.
We know how important the work we do is, and every person on the team contributes to it.
We celebrate each other's accomplishments and know each of our roles matter.
Tenemos共同 junto a nuestros clientes.
Somos dirigidos.
Nous améliorons les services de santé.
Xây dựng một nền y tế tốt hơn.
I love working at Stryker because I'm proud of our mission.
And I am proud of the people I work with every day.
Our customers are at the heart of everything we do.
All of our focus is on them.
I live the mission by never settling for good enough.
We're all about shaping the future of medicine.
And we're making healthcare better.